welcome back to my nail corner. Today I am excited to show you guys the kit that I collaborated with Double Dip to create and make available to all of you. My kit is called Raindrops on Rainbows, and that will be explained in just a minute here. So this is the cute insert card that Double Dip created with my little logo on it and the name that I came up with for this kit. And then on the back is just a little paragraph about myself and the kit and what my thoughts were behind it. So check that out if you end up ordering this kit. So I picked 5 pastel colors and a topper. This is a glitter topper, which you will see in action today, and it glows, so stand by for that action. So I went ahead and swatched all of the colors in this kit, and I took each color and put that glitter topper over it so you could get a look at what that looks like with the glitter on top. So Lavender White is on the left there, and then we have Coconut Mojito, Starburst, Peach Peel, and Marshmallow in that order. And then the glitter topper is called As If. And as I said, that glows. So you can turn every one of those colors into a glitter and you can make it a glow dip. So I love glows, and that just seemed like the perfect added touch for me. If you order the whole kit, what you will get is those 6 powders in 1/2 ounce jars, plus the essential liquid set, which is base, activator, top coat, and brush saver. It also comes with this little handy toolkit of extra brushes for those liquids, and a buffer, and a little file, and an orange wood stick. So all of the essentials for your mani, plus these adorable pastel heart, kind of like wildflower looking decals or stickers, super easy to apply. I thought those were so pretty. And the famous unicorn horn brush from Double Dip. I love that brush so much and really wanted that to be included in this kit for you guys. I thought it was the perfect addition to a rainbow style kit. So I'm going to go ahead and get into my mani here today. I was really looking forward to creating this look with these colors. It's just exactly what I envisioned when I picked these colors out. So I'm going to walk you through, you're going to see all of the colors, I should say, in action today. So it seemed like the perfect mani to do to introduce this kit to you guys. So this is available via pre-order on the Double Dip website as of, I believe it's March 29th. And then it will, I think that's Monday's date. Sorry if that's wrong. Whatever Monday of this week is. And then available on like social media and everywhere else, just like regular order as of April 1st. So Double Dip wanted to give the Facebook group a little preview and early access to ordering, because this kit will be in limited quantities. And so that's just another perk to being in the Double Dip Facebook group. I do a live over there, like a live mani, like once a month, and it's just a really fun place to interact with you guys. So if you're not already in the group, definitely check that out. I will put the link in my description box below. So just real quick, if you haven't seen me do an ombre before, this is how I do it. So I use a little Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, and that is linked in my Amazon storefront below. If you don't have one of these brushes on hand, I highly recommend it. They are just great for so many like nail art uses, but mostly ombre. So I just picked up the powder that I wanted on the brush and then tapped it over my nail. When I'm working on the left side of my nail, I'm going to tilt my hand to the right to make that side kind of up so that the powder falls a little bit towards the middle. But I just recommend starting small, in that don't overload your brush if you're not comfortable with this method. Start small, tap towards your skin first, because it's not going to do any harm to get the powder on your skin, and then move towards the middle of the nail. And that's really just going to give you the look you're going for. I find that the vertical ombre on the nail is the easiest of the ombres for me personally to accomplish a nice blend in the middle, and then also to just get to that middle line really easily, because I find it's easier to find the middle of my nail side to side than it is, cuticle line to free edge. So if you haven't tried an ombre before, I definitely recommend vertical ombre for your first try at. And I was going to go away and let you guys watch this application, but instead I'm going to tell you before I forget that I am doing a giveaway on this video to celebrate 3,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Double Dip was kind enough to set aside one of these kits for one of you guys to win. So definitely check out the description box below for details on how to enter that giveaway. Now I'm going to let you watch, and I will be back in just a second. So just some real quick tips on the second pass at your ombre. I recommend going in the reverse order. So on my thumb initially I did the pink first and then the purple. So when going back for the second pass, do the purple first and then the pink. So that is going to help give you a nice blend in the center of the nail versus like a straight kind of stark line. Hopefully that makes sense. So in this situation, it actually was pretty easy because I just started at my thumb instead of my pinky and worked my way across the rainbow. But sometimes when you're doing manis with ombres, it's kind of hard to keep track. So I just highly recommend trying that out, is just pay attention to which color you did first, and then on your second pass, do it the opposite way. So I'm going to go through this second pass, slightly speed it up, and then I'm going to cap in clear. Now, capping in clear, if you're unfamiliar, is just doing a dip of clear powder over your colored powder. I like to do that for multiple reasons. Number one, if you have a highly pigmented color or sometimes a pastel color, when you're filing and buffing your nail, you can just kind of mess with the color pigment and it'll give it like a marbled look, and you're probably not going for that if you just dipped in a solid color. If you use glitter and you file that glitter, you're going to file off the color on the glitter and get a silver center to that glitter exposed, so nobody really wants that look. And then you're also protecting any design you do. So if you do an ombre, a French mani, a sticker of some sort, putting a clear dip over that is going to protect the design you just worked hard to create from being filed off. And then last but not least, well, I guess it's not even last, clear powder is the strongest because it's not weakened by pigment being added or glitter, so that adds strength to your mani. And then last but not least, when you activate your nail, your activator is only then coming in contact with clear dip powders, so it keeps your activator from being contaminated with pigment or glitter, so that your next mani, when you go to use your activator, it's still clear and you're not going to get a random glitter in your mani or like a red tint to it if you did, you know, a red mani and then you do a white one next. So it just keeps your activator nice and pure, which I find really handy. So that is my 2 cents on capping in clear, which you will see in just a second here, and then I will wrap this up for you guys. So thanks for being here. I was really excited to share this with you guys, and I hope that this pastel kit is something that you guys really enjoy if you get your hands on it. So hang in there and I'll be back in just a second. Alright, so now I finished capping in clear. I'm going to dust off that excess with my fluffy brush, but also with a stiff bristled brush, which I find helpful. Just make sure you wait until you know your base is dry so that you don't mess up your dip powder with that stiff bristled brush. So I have to apologize in advance that I received a phone call during this recording and I did not realize it at the time. My phone was on silent when I usually put it on Do Not Disturb for recording, and it messed up my recording. So you're going to see activator and then you're going to see the finished mani because my top coat application got cut out. So I am very sorry that that happened, and if you're new to dip powder, then I apologize because that is a valuable process to see, but I promise you it is included in just about every other video that is on my page, or on my channel. So if you are new to dip powder and you want to know the step-by-step of dip top coat application, then check out one of the 100 other videos on my channel at this point, and certainly everyone after this, because I will be far more careful about putting my phone on Do Not Disturb so that my recordings don't get messed up. But I really apologize because I felt bad about that, but I wasn't really sure that the best thing to do was like buff off the top coat and then reapply it because it would have looked different. Anyway, there is the glossy look. I was so in love with this. Oh, so happy with it. So make sure you stay tuned to the end. I will include pictures of the glow. So I'm finishing up this mani as per usual with my Candi Skincare Cuticle Oil. I find it super valuable to hydrate my cuticles after I have dried them out with filing and buffing, and Candi Skincare is my favorite way to do that. If you need a discount code, it is in the description box, and I also have a 25% code off for double dip. So if you're interested in this kit, make sure you use Kate25 to grab yours. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'm really excited to share it with you. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next vid. Bye now.